All right, watch. Go get it. Come on. Go get the ball. Go get the ball.
She says, no, I'm going to go see what Gigi wants.
Let's go. Let's go get the ball. Hey. Come on, Bubba. Hey. Here. Go get it.
Come on, Blue.
There you go.
Good girl. Yay. Oh.
You're all right.
All right.
Yeah, girl. Come here, Blue.
Here.
No. Oops, sorry.
I got it. I managed to step on it.
All right. No, we don't want Mom coming in the pool today. Come on. All right, I got her. All right. Go. Good boy. Good girl. Sorry.
Oh,
Good boy. She
left
didn't have
it.
the ball. She's still not that confident.
Yeah.
She gets a little, see, like right there?
Yeah, I saw that.
That's a panic.
Yeah, because she couldn't get out.
Yeah, hold on. There you go. Get out of there.
That's the
And then
exit
what-
point.
And then what happens is she totally forgets where she's at. Come on.
Uh-huh. So you got a
That's why it's
pointer.
important. Come on.
Got a pointer in the direction. Woohoo!
Oh my. Oh, no. Let's go over there. Go over there. Good girl. Sit right there. Sit. No getting out. Good girl. No getting out. Good girl. Come on, Blue. Come on. Let's go, Blue. Good girl. Good girl, Blue. Good girl. Alright. Good girl. Get up there. Get on your step. Get out. No. Get on your step. Go sit. I want her to learn to do that.
Okay.
And then that way she has her own, oh, I can do that.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You know. There you go. Good girl. Are we going? Come on. Let's go. Go up there. Get on the step. Go sit. Good girl. That's a good dog. Good girl. All right, let's sit for a second. Let's rest.